Take out the machine and its accessories. There are 2 spare fuses which can replace the broken one in the machine. When the fuse in the machine is broken, use a screwdriver to take it out and replace it with a spare one. Install filter. There are 4 small rubber rings and 2 large rubber rings on the filter, which can be replaced with spare ones when necessary. Please note, install the filter correctly. If it is not inserted fully into the hole, air may get in and there will be no vacuum. Install the holder. Connect the stone biophoton handpiece to the machine. Connect the stone vacuum and Cavi handpiece to the machine. Connect the stone vacuum and RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the power cord to the socket of the machine. Press the stone vacuum and Cavi function button. Set parameters. Time range is 0 to 60, 20 minutes on each area is recommended. Vacuum. Suction time range is 0 to 2, release time range is 0 to 2. Both can be freely adjusted. When suction time and release time are not 0 and suction time is longer than release time, the handpiece is at suction and release mode. Cavi. NS level range is 0 to 10, 2 to 7 is recommended. The higher the NS level is, the stronger the sensation of heat and tenderness will be. Mode selection. M1 mode. The handpiece emits ultrasonic waves constantly after the start button is pressed. M2 mode. The handpiece emits ultrasonic waves discontinuously after the start button is pressed. The Cavi function of the stone vacuum and Cavi handpiece can be used alone. You just need to detach the vacuum cup and then set the parameters of Cavi function. Apply essential oil or gel evenly to the area before the treatment, because there will be no NS output if the treatment is performed on dry skin. Press button to start the treatment. When release time is 0, the handpiece is at constant suction mode. Press stone vacuum and RF function button. Set parameters. Time. 20 minutes on each area is recommended. Vacuum. The suction time and release time can be freely adjusted. When suction time and release time are not 0 and suction time is longer than release time, the handpiece is at suction and release mode. RF 2 to 7 NS level is recommended. The higher the NS level is, the stronger the heat sensation will be. Mode selection. NOR mode. The red light is on and the energy of the handpiece directly reaches preset level after start button is pressed. Pro mode. The red light is on and the energy of the handpiece slowly reaches preset level after start button is pressed and the handpiece touches skin. The RF function of the stone vacuum and RF handpiece can be used alone. You just need to detach the vacuum cup and then set the parameters of RF function. Apply essential oil to the area evenly before treatment. Do not use thick cream products in case there's blockage. Press button to start the treatment. When release time is 0, the handpiece is at constant suction mode. Press Storm, Bio, and Photon function button. Set parameters. Time 20 minutes on CRA is recommended. NS level 2 to 7 is recommended. When the leftmost bar is chosen, you can adjust the NS level of all the 6 paths of Storm, Bio, or Photon simultaneously. When you want to adjust the NS level of a certain path, you just need to choose corresponding bar and then press the buttons on the rightmost side. Bio mode selection M1, constant energy output during the treatment. M2, discontinuous energy output during the treatment. Photon mode selection P1, the light is constantly on during the treatment. P2, the light flashes during the treatment. Press button to start the treatment. Turn off the machine and unplug it. Sanitize handpieces for the next time use.